Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your cover letter into Google Docs for easy editing, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Google Docs website. Sign in to your Google account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, click on the blank document option to create a new file. Now, locate your cover letter on your computer or device. If it's in a text file, open it to make it easy to copy the text. Select all the text in your cover letter by highlighting it. Right-click on the highlighted text and choose the copy option. Return to the Google Docs document you just created. Click anywhere in the blank document to set your cursor. Right-click once more and select the paste option to insert your cover letter. Alternatively, you can use keyboard shortcuts to make this quicker. Press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste your text. Take a moment to review the formatting of your cover letter. You may need to adjust font size, font style, or line spacing. Use the toolbar at the top of the page for formatting adjustments. Ensure that your cover letter looks polished and professional. Once you are satisfied, your cover letter is now ready for easy editing in Google Docs. To save your document, click on the title at the top left of the page. Rename your document to something recognizable. Your cover letter is now stored in Google Drive for easy access and editing later. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.